Hey guys, welcome to today's video. Today's really quick. It's an update on my next project. I realize I have a bunch of projects going. Why not another one, right? So let's just get right to it. Double DIN stereo into the 87 Corvette. So I'll give you a quick rundown. This is basically a budget build. The most expensive thing was the Kenwood deck. It's nice, you know, it's touchscreen, it's Android, it's, you know, backup camera. So my subs are 6.5 inch. I know that's not massive, but I had them left over from a previous project that I never used. I reached out to Skar and I told them what I had and what I wanted to use. So they gave me a recommendation for an amp and a wiring schematic on how to wire these two. So they're 2 ohm. I can maintain the 2 ohm, maximize power. My 4 gauge Skar kit. Again, my touchscreen Kenwood deck. My Pioneer 6x9s. You guys can laugh at me all you want, but I really like the sound of Pioneer 6x9s. My Infinity 4-channel amp for the rear and the door speakers. This is another Skar cable for the 4-channel amp. Here's my distribution blocks. Here is a remote bass knob that came with the Skar amp. Here is a microphone for hands-free that came with the Kenwood deck. Just an extra antenna extension. Here is a cable for the backup camera. Yeah, guys. I have it zip tied to the car. It is not mounted. I just have it zip tied so that I could run the wires through the back wall. So I have the wires coming through the back wall. I'll put a grommet in there so it looks real nice. Previous owner already had an aftermarket stereo in. I ripped it out so I won't feel too guilty about hacking everything up. He had already ripped everything out and had some cheap wood back here anyways. So that's what I have to do. I have to make my own cabinets and subfloors and everything. So I already have the wood. I've already started making things. So basically I'm going to put a whole floor in it. With the 6x9s, I'm going to have to mount the amps in the center, and then the subs will go along the back wall. If you're wondering, I am not planning on putting the rag top or the soft top frame back into the car. Not while I own it. My intention with the hardtop is for it to be on the car and not come off. I'm going to drive it as a hardtop coupe. I just like the look of it. It's a different look. It's not an everyday look that you see with Corvettes or the C4 Corvette. So yeah, guys, that's my big project. Hopefully it's done this weekend. I have a lot of stuff. I can tell you right now, I have never done anything like this. Sure, I've installed some stereos, but nothing like this. As far as the deck goes, very slight modifications are going to be required into the opening. Nothing that's going to impact a future install of an OEM stereo. Yeah, guys, that's it. So I'm excited. This is going to be really awesome. Like I said, it's a budget build. I don't want to use the word cheap, but I didn't spend a lot of money, but I feel I got pretty nice stuff for the money. So I can't wait. So I will share that with you as soon as I can. And as far as how I'm going to mount the deck into the car, I have a really slick idea, but I will not share that with you until after I find out if it works. But if it works, it's going to be a game changer. All right, stay tuned. Thanks for watching.